Hello everyone, it's me Krasmir Panayotou back in the YouTube channel on the beach, Golden Sands, Bulgaria, live trading every motherfucking day. So if you're ready for this shit, welcome to Bulgaria, have a nice time.
Okay guys, and we're back on the charts for the best weekly forex analysis. On the Euro USD, we start with the Euro USD. The analysis has gone wild. In the previous weekly analysis, we have spoken about this flag pattern on the daily chart and how price is very close to breaking it and going bearish after reaching this previous resistance. So this was very important level of resistance, guys. I'm talking about this green area right here. I have been waiting for it for like 2-3 weeks ever since we have touched this zone, the 1.00. I have expected slowly pull back to this resistance. It happened, and then we had the breakout of the flag pattern, which is a continuational pattern, so we continue the bearish trend. This is exactly what we have observed this week, with a nice break on Monday, a little correction on the next 2 days, and let's see where I have lost my resistance. And then was the final push, the last 2 days of the trading week. Now what we can expect if the price continue go bearish, we can wait for a nice pullback to the previous resistance and another continuation to the downside to continue this bearish trend. If this doesn't happen, if we respect this support area, the 1.00 zone area, and we start reversing going bullish, then we need to break the trend line. For example, if we make a higher high breaking this resistance, that would be a nice signal. Then we need just some sort of retest on the same trend line and a new higher high. This is the only thing we need to have the new bullish trend. But for now, in this bearish market, this will be very hard. So I prefer to catch the bearish trades. For example, some pullback to the bearish trend line, and then a sell trade with a new breakout. This is what we should be focusing, guys, this week and the upcoming weeks. Now on the GBP USD, guys, we see similar thing on the daily chart, a strong drop to the downside, and this move I actually managed to catch it. On the 4-hour chart here I have one prepared setup, this double top pattern. So after we started breaking the resistance, even a little bit earlier, somewhere here, I already knew that the price may try to retest this downtrend, and it is exactly what happened. On the daily chart, you can see a massive drop in the last 2 days after a small consolidation on the 4-hour chart here the previous days. And here, as you can see, guys, there was a bullish push, rejection, and not even attempt to go again back bullish. So the drop was really nice. Here we had a pin bar reversal candle, but then after it immediately another rejection candle, and the continuation to the downside was obvious. My target was somewhere here, the last bullish candles, and it is exactly where the price stopped. That was a nice trade. Now if this is a retest on the trend line, and if we go bullish, here we can get a double bottom pattern. On the daily chart you can see it. If we break these highs, we can go back bullish and create some nice correction of this whole bearish impulse. For example, the 50% or the 38% would be great targets. On the next chart, guys, this will be, let's see, Euro GBP, and here I have traded this pair bearish because we have had this little channel, but then suddenly the price breaks the channel and I'm out of this trade. Now we'll probably continue bullish and go back to these previous highs. This is what I personally think about this pair. Since we have broken the downtrend, we went bullish. Now this is the retest of the same downtrend, and now we should continue, go back bullish and maybe create a higher high. Then we will have a whole new trend and a whole new opportunities for the swing trades. Now let's go and check out some other pairs, guys, like for example on USD JPY you can see a strong door this week, and here we are at a resistance level. So on Euro USD, on USD JPY, everywhere we have support and resistance level. Even here on the USD, the GBP USD, we have a nice support. Probably, by the way, we will continue to the next support area on the weekly chart. You can see it very clearly where the price respected this area. Let's see also gold, guys, and on gold we have a broken downtrend and currently we have a retest. So I personally expect here we to go back bullish again, and I will observe exactly the 35-40 zone area, 1735, 1740. This area will be my trigger for a bullish entries, and I will try to ride a bullish trend to these previous highs or even higher with the bulls. If not, of course we can continue back bearish, but I believe that this support zone is very strong and it will hold, so my stop loss will probably be below the support zone, somewhere here, or a little bit deeper if we have some manipulative test on this zone. On US oil, I have caught a nice move. Here we have bullish engulfing candle. Let me clear my chart, guys, a little bit. We have a weekly trend, very important trend. It seems like we are going back bullish on this chart. On the daily we have a nice bullish candle from the support area, but we still are in this downtrend bearish channel. So we now need to break above this channel and start creating the bullish trend. Then it will be easy to trade this pair going with the bullish trend, with first target somewhere here, these previous highs and these previous lows, and then maybe the previous highs can also be chased. This weekly analysis, guys, is amazing because we have prepared our setups and now we only need to look what the market is going to do, so we can adjust our trading models according to what market gives us as opportunities. Now let's switch to some other chart, guys, and let's see how the indexes are going. On the daily we're in a bullish trend, as you can see, nice bullish trend and a little correction. Now here I expect a little bit more of a pullback to this green support area, where I will wait for bullish signals to go again long on this pair, probably to these previous highs. This is the easiest setup here. A little resistance we have here, as you can see, but we need to break it and get to the next resistance. This is how we trade this. Of course the price can just start reversing from here, because here we have something like a previous high, and as you can see in the last days the price didn't correct so much, so maybe we will not see such a deep correction. And the same thing on the S&P 500. we can get a little bit of correction. Here I have prepared some small setups. Let me see. Yes, not that small for my current account, but it's okay. Okay guys, and that's all for this weekly analysis. I hope these setups will help you or will make you check again your trades so you can get the best out of this trading week. I wish you successful trading. If you don't agree with my analysis, that it's extremely well, because you can see where you see better setups on your charts and how you can make more money by beating my strategy and my way of my view, and so on. So I wish you success in that, guys. Every strategy can be successful, so keep grinding, keep moving forward, and see you in the next video. Peace. I'm in Bulgaria, my native country. The vacation is amazing, just wonderful. We meet a couple of traders here as well, so the best is yet to come.